Hey there, just want to give you a vision of what this foundational fact kit would look like. So I just have a 2-pocket folder here. You could definitely use just a regular folder like this, a file folder. But what I've done is, if we take a look, the top sheet is simply that teacher note that to families, and that's included in your kit. You'll revise that to fit your needs. And then inside this kit, you're going to see the tracking progress, directions via QR code or URL, and then tracking progress, and then where they can set goals. So it's completely up to you whether you want them to have the backside as well, or if you're just going to send this piece home. The video will fill you in on how to use that, as well as it'll let parents know how to use that, okay? Then over on this side, we have those different links that I included for how they can practice those foundational facts, along with QR directions and information for how they can help them kind of go from strategies to fluency. All right, so once again, you will decide which of those students need or you want to share. I do think this letter is going to be helpful in clarifying the why and the what for this first goal. And inside this kit also, I just have a Ziploc. It's actually a 2-gallon. The plan would be to slip that inside. I also like to give them this so they can use that distributive property to get to something efficient to then move into memory. And then just a simple plastic sleeve so that all those game boards they can put into a plastic sleeve as they're using those. All right, and then they'll need some cubes. Counters are optional. You'll see that listed as optional. A deck of cards. All right, and that's how that looks. Okay. And the information I'm giving you, you're going to see this, and that's intended for you, just to kind of summarize what the thinking is. Once again, the goal is to first work on those foundational facts. That's goal 1. To come at another date is those derived facts, but just know if you were to go to that multiplication unit I've shared with you previously, all sorts of help there if I don't get that out fast enough. Got a few other to-dos in the queue. So, all right, just wanted you to see what that looked like. Thank you. Bye-bye.